Next up, shortcut for Handshake. In this, we need to find a passage leading to Fort Narith. Let's go ahead and do it. Alright, so approaching the bunker one more time, we'll head straight towards the front of it, where we'll be using a secret entrance to get a quicker way down. Down here, we'll be doing multiple missions in one go, assuming the AI is still alive. Hopefully they are, as we need to get an elimination down here. So when we get to the front entrance over here, you'll find a dirt path off to the right. We'll be following this to a secret entrance. It should take us directly to where we need to be. Following this path past the hole in the fence, all the way up to the top, you'll find this little area up here. This is a secret entrance that we used in a previous mission. Otherwise, you had to parkour up some broken stairs. This will take us to above them. We'll head in here and travel down into the bunker. There may be some AI in here, but usually not in this first corridor, and we'll hit this section here. What we'll do from here is we'll go left, down here. Here's the previous person that we had to come and interact with for a previous mission. We'll head down and into this passageway here. Heading through here and down, just be ready, you are going to encounter quite a few AI. So heading downstairs here, be ready, as things are about to get a little bit crazy. We'll head through this passageway. Just to the right over here, you'll find all of this concrete just lying around. We'll simply walk up to it, and just like that, we've completed this task. There isn't a shortcut anymore, obviously. There we go. All we need to do now is return back to base. There we go. Landing back at base, we'll go ahead and open up our vendors list, and we'll hand these in. And there we go. So hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.